Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav from InCred Equities. Nifty continued to trade in a range and it's plagued by time correction, which is very evident. There is incremental volatility on the intraday basis, which is triggering the stop losses if somebody buys or sells. And there are no clear signs of coming out. So we wait. We recommended the buy recommendation yesterday. We got out at 30 points lower, a minuscule loss, for the simple reason that markets were just not giving any signs of momentum. There were early indications on a very short-term charts, intraday charts, that there might be a breakout. There was no follow-up, and that was the reason we exited the trade with minor losses. And discipline is what is most important in the market. So it's fine if you end up making a loss, but then you know where to cut your positions. As far as technicals are concerned, Nifty continues to trade between 24,000 25,000 range. Today being weekly as well as the monthly expiry, it will be interesting to see if Nifty sustains about 25,000. We may see a spike sort of coming in. Even if Nifty sustains about 24,850, 860 spot, we may see 25,000 call letters coming slightly under pressure, and that might be a trade, a hero zero kind of trade if you buy a call option of the current expiry. Now, let it sustain those levels first. There's no clear-cut trade as such. If you look at Bank Nifty, same is the case where 55,000 is acting as a strong support area. 55,800, 850 is acting as a strong deterrent. So there are no trades visible in both the indices, even Sensex for that matter. So it's a range-bound market, nothing much to speak about. There were certain deals yesterday also, and that is why you have a larger domestic institution number. I would not talk about US markets as well because that is also witnessing too much of a time correction. We're not seeing major activity sort of happening over there as well. Uh, so for now, as I said, if somebody wants to create a short, risk takers, 24,740 in May futures, for intraday positions only. This is important. A 5 minute close below this, and one can create a short, keeping stop loss of 70 points, playing for 150 points gain. Strictly intraday positions, intraday trades, and we are just trying to bank on the expiry that we may see either short covering by the put writers or the call writers. I have already recommended levels for longs. So let us stick to those levels, play with strict stop losses and small targets, and that too on the intraday basis. Let the market come out of the range and we can have a broader view. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.